a pleasant afternoon, everyone. By the way, I am Joshua Paolo M. Castillo. I am the first reporter who will discuss, share, and report you about the cell and its component. Before we proceed, what comes in your mind when you hear the word cell? Cell is the building blocks unit of life. Cell also is a structural and functional unit of living matter. Cell was the first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. You know what? There are the four modern cell theory. The first theory is cell make up all living things. Second theory is all cells arise from other cells. The third theory is chemical reaction of cell, anabolism and catabolism take place inside the cell. And lastly, cell is the fundamental unit of living things. Cell provides structural for the body. Cell can also provide take in nutrients from food, convert nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized function. Accordingly, there are the two types of cell, which is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. The first type of cell is prokaryotic cell. It has no bound membrane nucleus. It has ribosomes and cell membrane. The best example that we can define and describe prokaryotic cell is bacteria. The second type of cell is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell has membrane-bound nucleus, has cell organelles, and unicellular to multicellular. The best example that we can define and describe eukaryotic cell is plants, animals, and fungi. That's for all today. The next topic will be its components to be discussed by Ryan, Carl, and Jameson.
So what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is the outermost limit of a cell. Membranes controls the entrance and the exits of a substance. It is give shape. Is a complex barrier separating every cell of external environment. The functions of cell membrane. There are four functions of cell membrane. Number one, which is it separates and protects the inner content of the cell from the outer environment. Number two, allows the movement of the materials into the cell and wastes materials of harmful substances out of the cell. Number three, regulates osmosis to maintain the isotonic state of the cell. And number four, the last one, it is also actively participates in the active transport of materials by phagocytosis. The nucleus. So what is nucleus? Nucleus is the innermost and enclosed by a nuclear envelope. It is also directs the overall activities of the cell by functioning as the hereditary headquarters, housing the genetic material, DNA. So what are the functions of nucleus? There are three functions of nucleus. The first one will be nucleus synthesizes proteins. Number two, chromosomes are responsible for carrying genetic characteristics. And the last one, number three, will be the nucleus are where ribosomes translates mRNA. mRNA proteins are synthesized. That would be all. Thank you for listening and good day.
No fighting. We got the refugees. No fighting.
Hello everyone. Let's talk about the cytoplasm and lysosome. So let's go first in cytoplasm.